Ever felt like your finances are a tangled mess of receipts, invoices, and late-night calculator sessions? You're not alone. Especially for small business owners, managing the books can feel like a constant battle. That's where QuickBooks comes in. This accounting software is like a knight in shining armor, helping you organize income, expenses, invoices, and more. But with so many features and versions, learning QuickBooks can feel daunting. So, where's the best place to conquer this financial beast? Buckle up, because we're about to explore the top contenders in the QuickBooks learning arena. Contender number 1. The official Intuit QuickBooks channel. Intuit, the makers of QuickBooks, themselves offer a treasure trove of learning resources. Their official YouTube channel is a great starting point. Packed with tutorials, webinars, and product demos, it caters to both QuickBooks Online and desktop users. Pros: free, access to a vast library of content without spending a dime. Official source: learn directly from the developers, ensuring the information is accurate and up-to-date. Variety of formats: tutorials, webinars, and demos cater to different learning styles. Cons: can be overwhelming. With so much content, it might be hard to know where to begin, especially for complete beginners. Limited depth: while offering a solid foundation, these resources might not delve into advanced features. Contender number 2. Third-party YouTube channels. The vast world of YouTube offers a plethora of independent QuickBooks educators. From certified professionals to bookkeeping enthusiasts, these channels provide a diverse learning experience. Pros: engaging presentation. Many YouTubers use a relaxed and conversational style, making learning more fun. Niche focus: some channels cater to specific industries or QuickBooks versions, offering targeted learning. Community building: interact with other viewers and ask questions in the comments section. Cons: quality control. Information accuracy can vary depending on the creator's expertise. Production value: production quality might be inconsistent, with some videos lacking professionalism. Finding the right channel. Sifting through countless channels to find the one that suits your learning style can be time-consuming. Contender number 3. Online courses and certifications. If you crave a more structured learning environment, online courses might be the answer. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Skillshare offer comprehensive courses designed for all QuickBooks skill levels. Some even lead to industry-recognized certifications. Pros: structured learning. Courses follow a clear curriculum, ensuring a well-rounded understanding of QuickBooks. Interactive features. Some courses offer quizzes, assignments, and interactive exercises to solidify your learning. Certification. Earn a certificate that showcases your QuickBooks proficiency, potentially boosting your resume. Cons: cost. Most online courses require a fee, though free trials or introductory modules might be available. Time commitment. Completing a course takes dedication and time management skills. Self-paced learning. Requires a high degree of self-discipline to stay motivated and on track. Contender number 4. QuickBooks ProAdvisor Network. QuickBooks ProAdvisors are certified accounting professionals who specialize in QuickBooks. They offer a variety of learning resources, including training workshops, one-on-one consultations, and even custom-built solutions. Pros: expert guidance. Learn from seasoned professionals who can tailor their approach to your specific needs. Personalized support. Get answers to your QuickBooks questions directly from an expert. Advanced solutions. ProAdvisors can help you leverage QuickBooks for complex financial scenarios. Cons: cost. ProAdvisor services typically come at a premium price. Availability. Finding a ProAdvisor in your area might be challenging, especially for those in remote locations. Limited scope. Not all ProAdvisors offer training services, primarily focusing on consulting and bookkeeping solutions. So, which contender reigns supreme? The truth is, the best approach often involves a combination of these resources. Here's a winning strategy. Start with the official Intuit channel. Get a solid foundation and familiarize yourself with the interface. Supplement with engaging YouTube channels. Find a channel that resonates with your learning style for deeper dives and specific topics. Consider an online course. If you crave structure and certification, Invest in a course for a more comprehensive learning experience. Remember, the best learning method is the one that keeps you engaged and motivated. Don't be afraid to experiment with different resources until you find the perfect fit for your financial conquest.